If you thought 240 Hz was fast, BenQ just raised the stakes. Meet the Zowie XL2540X Plus, a monitor built to do one thing: win. Designed for pro-level performance, the XL2540X Plus brings a blazing 280 Hz refresh rate to the legendary Zowie lineup. It's not just an upgrade, it's a declaration to every competitive gamer who lives by milliseconds. Compared to its 240 Hz predecessors, this panel gives you those precious extra frames. That could mean the difference between a flick headshot or a missed opportunity. With a 1 millisecond response time and a 0.279mm pixel pitch, this TN panel is tuned for speed. Backed by 320 nits brightness and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, it's optimized for visibility where it matters most: gameplay clarity, not Netflix color grading. And BenQ didn't stop at hardware. The XL2540X Plus packs Zowie's signature esports features: black eQualizer to spot enemies in shadows, color Vibrance for instant visual tuning, and auto game mode to load the right settings for your title. You also get a bundled S-switch for rapid profile changes, a detachable shading hood to block distractions, and all the cables you need to plug in and dominate. On the ergonomics side, it supports height adjustment, tilt, and swivel, but no pivot. Ports include 3 HDMI 2.0, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, and a headphone jack, with Visa and Kensington lock support for secure setups. Viewing angles? Still TN. 170 degrees horizontal, 160 degrees vertical. But if you're sitting center stage in a clutch 1v1, that's all you need. This isn't built for cinematic color, it's built for raw, ruthless speed. BenQ hasn't dropped global pricing just yet, but with a 2025 model year tag, the XL2540X Plus is clearly set to replace aging favorites like the XL2040 and XL2540X. It's not just an upgrade, it's a weapon. For those chasing every frame, every pixel, and every split-second edge, the XL2540X Plus might just be the final piece of your loadout. Ready up. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.